Okay, kamusta kaibigan? In this video, ang trabaho ko ngayon is to actually teach you how to generate at least 10 to 15 leads a day sa negosyo mo na interesado sa in-offer mong products and interesado sa network marketing business mo. Okay? Now, just to show you na totoo to, and this actually nag-work lang sa Pilipinas, I will show you yung campaign na ginawa ko sa internet nung this June 28 to July, okay? So, bubuksan ko yung Aweber account ko, okay? And if you don't know kung ano yung Aweber, it's actually a software na ginagamit ko to capture the information ng mga taong interesado sa mga ino-offer ko sa internet. Okay, so let me show you my Aweber account. Muna tayo sa browser ko. So, ito yung na-generate kong leads sa local market. This June 28 up to July. Okay, ngayon lang to, guys. And actually, shoot ko lang tong video ngayon July 2012. Alright? So, ito yung aking results. Nung June 28, I actually got 15 leads sa isang campaign plus 3, so that's 18 leads plus another one, so that's 19 leads. Okay, 19 new prospect na interesado sa in-offer ko in one day. Okay, June 29 I got 5. Okay, that's 5 leads. 5 leads lang, guys. Okay, June 30 I got 8. Okay, plus 1, so that's 9. Okay, 9 leads in one day, 9 prospects. July 1st, I got 9. Okay, 9 plus 1, so that's 10. Plus 1 again, so that's 11 leads. Okay? Kahapon, July 2nd, isa pala. Kahapon, I got 4 plus 1, so that's 5. Plus 1 again. So, that's 6 leads. Okay? And today, actually, ongoing pa lang to. Pa din. So, ngayon nakakuha na ako ng isang unverified at verified. So, that's 2 leads. Plus 2. That's 4. Plus 3. So, that's 7 leads, guys. So, basically, I'm generating 5 to 19 leads a day. So, hindi 19 leads a day. At least 5, 8, 9, ganyan. So, everyday may pumapasok na prospect sa akin na interesado sa negosyo ko. Okay? Now, bakit ba kailangan natin ng leads? Okay? Sa network marketing, importante na may kinakausap kang tao araw-araw. Kasi pag wala, ang mangyayari is maghahabol ka ng mga kabarkada mo and mamimili ka ng tao kasi wala ka ng prospect na makausap. Okay? So, now you know that this is possible. Let's now go back sa presentation. Okay? Okay. Shucks, di ko ano. Right. Inom na muna ng tubig. Okay, we're back. Now, since I have the ability to actually produce leads, hindi lang sa Pilipinas, when I first started doing this, I was able to expand my business in different countries. Okay, like Canada, Japan, United States, and Uruguay. And the best part is I don't need to do any hotel meeting. Okay? Guys, these people is interesado na sa negosyo ko and ang ginawa ko na lang is in-offer ko to sa kanila. Okay? Now, because I have that ability to get leads every day, I was able to become a full-time entrepreneur kahit wala pa akong malaking grupo sa networking business ko. Okay? Dahil kaya ako naging full-time is because yung leads na hindi nag-sign up sa negosyo ko, nagiging customer ko and yun nabibigay sa akin ng pera. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you paano to gawin so you can actually pay for your bills na nagagastos sa networking business mo. Okay, now before I show you kung paano ko siya ginawa, let me first show you or tell you my story. Okay, paano ko to na-discover. Alright, so nagsimula ako sa networking when I was only 18 years old. Okay? And at that time, very excited ako, just like everyone else. Kaya lang, I encountered 3 problems. Okay? Unang-una, lack of prospects. Okay? Sabi sa akin na upline ko, nung nagsimula pa lang ako, sabi niya, Ian, create 300 list of people that you know. Okay, lagay mo doon yung classmates mo, nung elementary, nung high school, ngayong college, tapos, lagay mo yung pangalan ng kamag-anak mo. And ang mangyayari sa pag ginawa mo yan is, in 1 month, maubusan ka na, kasi tawagan mo na lahat. And then, if ever naman in-invite mo yung kaibigan mo, okay, sabi lang yan is alam ko na yung networking, and kung mapapunta mo man sila sa networking opportunity mo, sabi naman yan is wala akong pera pang sign up, okay? So, actually, nakaka-frustrate yon, okay? Kasi kailangan mo pang humingi ng referrals, and pag nagre-referrals ka, andayan mo makukuha ang flake, okay? They will say, pupunta sila, pero hindi naman kasi sinabihan silang networking yon, okay? So, nakakabwisit yung unang problem, okay? Pangalawang problem na ma-encounter natin is losing money, okay? Ewan ko kung napansin nyo na simulan nag-networking kayo, actually tumaas lalo yung expenses nyo. Napansin nyo ba? Okay, bakit ba tumaas expenses mo? Okay, unang-una pag networking ka, kailangan bumili ng produkto. Tama? Okay, kasi kailangan mo gamitin yung produkto ng kumpanya mo. Pangalawa, kailangan mong pumunta sa opisina, so kailangan mo mag-commute and mag-apply ka na naman ng pera. Alright? Kailangan mo ng damit, kailangan mo din umattend ng training. Okay? Bakit kailangan ng training? Siyempre, importante yung training kasi yung training yun yung nagpapagaling sa atin. And yun yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. And kung hindi ka nag-i-invest sa training mo, may hirapan ka sa negosyo mo. Okay? So, yung mga bagay na nagiging expenses yun. Okay? And lumalaki lalo yung expenses natin because of those things. And if kung nalaranasan nyo man to ngayon, it's actually very normal kasi normally talaga, network marketing is not designed to give you big money sa sumula, okay? Now, some of you will say, Ian, bakit yung kilala ko 3 months lang kumita siya ng ganitong pera? Well, maybe that person nasa networking na siya before, okay? And pang-4 na taon niya na to, so meron na siyang skill set, okay? Kasi networking is just like a basketball, okay? Sa una, banu ka, pero pag ginagawa mo siya for 5 years na, magiging magaling ka rin, okay? So, hindi lahat ng tao kikita agad, okay? And I'm one of those people na hindi agad kumita and I lost money for 2 years, okay? And since I'm losing money sa 2 taon, ang pinaka-problema ko doon is lack of credibility. Okay, pag tumawag ka sa prospect mo or kinausap mo, yung nakilala mo, and tinanong niya ilang buwan ka na ba dyan or ilang taon ka na dyan, pag sinabi mo 2 years, wala ka pang results, normally sila maniniwala sa'yo. Tama? So, ngayon, because of this kind of problem, okay, na-frustrate ako. Okay? Pero, ginawan ko pa rin ng paraan. Okay? Tumuloy-tuloy pa rin ako. And one time, napunta ako dun sa internet. And nakakita ko ng training on how to use the internet to build your business. Okay? And ang pangalan ng training is called Attraction Marketing. So, what I did is I bought it. Okay? And pagkabili ko, in-apply ko, and I also look for a mentor na successful na dyan. People that made millions na. Okay? So, I applied it, and what happened, yun nga, I expanded my business sa different countries, and right now, full-time na ako. I don't need to find a job. Kailangan ko lang siya gawin sa bahay. Alright? Now, according sa natutunan ko, okay, and my mentor sa successful, sabi niya sa akin, mentor ko, if you want to make money, okay, doing network marketing, all you need to do is to spend 90% of your time prospecting qualified prospect. Okay? And the reason kailangan mo lang busin yung oras mo ka-prospect kasi sa network marketing, simple lang. Okay? Kikita ka, pag nakapag-recruit ka, and pag nakapagbenta ka. Tama? Okay. The rest, hindi yun kumikita ng pera. Yung pag-invite, hindi ka kita ng pera sa pag-invite. Kikita ka lang pag yung taong yun is nag-sign up. Okay? So, you have to spend your time talking to people. Alright? And qualified people pala. Qualified people. Okay? So, if you want to spend a lot of your time talking to people, kailangan may kausap ka. Kaya importante nga na meron kang pumapasok na leads everyday. Kasi kung wala ka ng leads, wala ka makakausap na tao. Now, pag may kinakausap kang tao, importante na qualify yung prospect na yun. Meaning, kailangan yung taong yan, interesado. Una-una interesado sa in-offer mo. Pangalawa, may pera. And pangatlo, committed na ma-achieve yung goals niya. Kasi pag nag-sign up ka ng tao, okay, hindi ka naman kikita talaga eh. Kasi let's say, nag-sign up ka, kumita kang 3,000. Okay, pag kumita ka ng 3,000 sa kanya, kailangan mo pa siyang puntahan at samahan sa office, and pamasahe pa lang, talo ka na. Let's say, 3 months na yan dyan. Lugi ka, kikita ka lang pag yung taong yan kumita ng pera. Tama? Tama, di ba? Okay, so ngayon, sino kailangan mong prospectin? Okay? If you're going to use the internet, okay, ang kailangan mo lang prospectin sa internet is other networkers. Okay? Kasi sila yung pinaka-qualified because these people are investing in themselves already and nasa negosyo na sila ng networking and mayroon na silang tiwala sa industriya natin. So, hindi mo na kailangan mag-convince na hindi pyramiding scheme yung company mo. Okay? So, just think about it. Kung ikaw magre-recruit ka ng tao, ano pipiliin mo? Yung distributor na walang alam? Na bago pa lang, na kailangan mo pang i-train? O yung leader na talaga na nasa networking na for, let's say, 6 months or 1 year na meron ng experience? Of course, pipiliin yung meron ng experience kasi konting tweak na lang, may leader na yun, nakikita ka sa kanya ng pera. Okay? So, ngayon, nagtatanong ka siguro, paano ka makapag-prospect ng networker kung nasa networking, meron na siyang sariling networking company. Okay? Guys, you must understand that 90% ngayon, okay, 90% ngayon ng networking is not making any money sa negosyo nila. And most of these people are looking for a solution to their problem sa internet. Okay? So, normally kayo, di ba, pag nag-networking ka, pupunta kami sa YouTube, naghahanap ka ng training, mga gym round stuff. Tama? Ako rin, ginagawa ko yan. So, ngayon, if you want to prospect these people, kailangan mo lang silang i-attract sa'yo. Okay? Bigyan natin ng example. For example, itong prospect na to, sabihin natin pangalan nila Bob tsaka si Daisy. Okay? Bob and Daisy. Okay? Let's say si Bob and Daisy, well, sabihin natin, naghanap sila ng training, paano mag-prospect, kasi lagi silang nagkakaroon ng problema paano mag-sign up ng tao sa negosyo nila. So, kailangan ko lang gawin, to attract these people, is, gagawa ko ng article sa blog ko, okay? Paano ako nakapag-recruit ng tao sa negosyo ko. So, basically, guys, you don't need to be a master recruiter para gawin to. Let's just say, na bago ka, and nakapag-recruit ka agad ng 3 tao. Kailangan mo lang i-share yung strategy na ginawa mo para makapag-recruit ka ng 3 tao. And then, ibigay doon sa taong may kailangan nun. So, for example, this person, okay, sabihin natin, bago din sila, and they're looking for a solution para pag-prospect. Kailangan mo lang gawin is dalhin sila dito, okay, through marketing, okay, by using marketing strategies. And pag nabasa nila yan, ang mangyayari, since hindi mo sila pinitchan, okay, or wala kang tinag sa kanila picture, ang ginawa mo lang is tinulungan mo sila through your article, ang mangyayari is these people will be attracted to you. Okay? Parang ganito lang yun. Pag yung top earner mo, tinuruan ka, di ba, you will feel good and you will like that person. So, ganun din sila. If tinuruan mo sila ng strategy na kailangan nila, they will start to like you, know you, and they will makikinig sila sa'yo parate, okay? And ang kailangan mo lang gawin after nila makuha yung trading mo is tawagan sila and build relationship sa kanila. Okay, and the best part dito, pag kinausap sila sa telepono, warm na sila kasi kilala ka na nila and sila yung naghahabol sa'yo. Okay, hindi mo sila kailangang habulin kasi sila nga naglagay ng number nila and contact information dun sa website mo. Okay? Now, after that, okay, after mo silang kausapin, kailangan mo lang malaman, okay, ano yung, kung ayaw nila sa negosyo nila, okay, or satisfied pa sila. And normally, 20% guys ngayon is hindi satisfied sa network marketing business nila, okay? So, kailangan mo lang gawin, okay, to make money from these people is, pag hindi sila satisfied, pakita mo yung networking business mo. Sabihin mo sa kanila, if you want, parang since marunong ka na ng internet marketing at that time, pag natutunan mo to, sabihin mo sa kanya, if you want to learn paano yung ginagawa ko, sali ka sa akin, okay? And normally, nag-sign up sila, okay? And if ever naman, na hindi sila nag-sign up, kailangan mo lang sila benta ng mga e-books or mga courses na kailangan nila sa negosyo na nakikita ka ng pera. So, for example, let's say si Tom, hindi sumama sa'yo, and networker siya, sabihin mo lang, hey Tom, may ginagamit akong sistema ngayon na pwede mong gamitin na pag ginamit mo, pwede ka rin pag-recruit sa internet, parang ginagawa ko sa'yo. Whatever, ganyan. And then, pag binili niya yun, kikita ka, let's say, 3,000 or 4,000 pesos. Okay? So, basically, kada nakakakuha ka ng rejection, kumikita ka rin. Okay? So, kumikita ka dun from those people na hindi nag-sign up sa'yo. Okay? So, just imagine, if you're talking to 10 to 15 people a day, okay, sabihin natin 5 people a day. Okay? Imagine anong mangyayari or magkano kikitain mo sa negosyo mo. Okay? Pag kumikita ka pa lang sa no, yung kikitain mo sa no mo, sa mga nakukuha mong no, yun yung gagamitin mo ngayon para pampondo sa current network marketing business mo. In fact, mas malaki pakikitain mo dun sa mga nagno kasi marami sila. Okay? Kung hindi mo pa ito nagigets, explain ko ulit sa'yo. Okay? Sabihin na natin, ikaw to. Alright? Explain ko ulit paano ito nag-work, yung internet marketing or internet network marketing. Okay? Sabihin natin, ikaw to, and nakita mo yung ad ko sa Facebook. Actually, dalawa lang yan. Is either nakita mo yung video ko sa internet or sa Facebook man, sa YouTube, or whatever. And nangyari is, nagustuhan mo yung offer ko. And ang ginawa ko sa'yo, normally, bago ka makapunta sa presentation na to, is tinawagan muna kita, tama? Okay? Ngayon, tinawagan kita, andito ka na ngayon sa presentation ko. Okay? And ang mangyayari dyan, mamaya, it's either maging customer kita, or maging bago kitang downline. Okay? So, ganun din yung gagawin nyo sa negosyo. Ganun din yung gagawin nyo pa nagpo-prospect kayo sa internet. Okay? Now, I'm gonna show you or I'm gonna reveal one of my secrets na nangyari. Yung mga nangyari sa akin nung first time ko tong inaral. Alright? Unom lang ang tubig. Okay. Noong una ko itong inaral, I actually lost 40,000 pesos. Okay? And hindi ko yun pera. Actually, pera yun ng tito ko. Pinera nila sa akin yung credit card niya. Okay? And the reason that I lost 40,000 pesos that time is because wala talaga nagturo sa akin nung pangapanahon na yon. Okay? Kasi nung sinabi ko na pwede ka pala mag-recruit sa internet at pwedeng sa bahay ka lang, di mo na kailangan mag-hotel meeting, naging skeptic yung upline ko at hindi niya ako tinulungan. So, what I did is I look for a mentor. Now, sabi ko, pag maghanap ako ng mentor, dapat very successful. And alam niya ginagawa niya. So, I look for someone na successful at tinulungan niya ako. And after a few months, I got some results. Okay? And yun nabigay sa akin ng full-time income. And I established also myself as a leader sa industry. Okay? Even though I don't have a large group yet because I can give value to people. Okay? The name of my mentor is Jerry Chen. Okay? This guy is one of the best trainers at attraction marketing field. Kung hindi nyo alam ang attraction marketing, yun yung tinatawag na online MLM. Okay? Yun yung strategy para makapag-recruit ka kahit sa network marketing company sa internet. Okay? And this person made hundreds of thousands of dollars sa kanyang negosyo ngayon, and he is actually my mentor and my upline. Okay? Now, I found out na lahat pala ng successful people or lahat na nag-succeed sa negosyo ay may nagturo sa kanila. And the reason kailangan mo ng mentor is it will actually speed up your learning curve. Okay? So for me, it took me a year, okay, just to figure this out, yung internet attraction marketing. Now, kung may mentor na ako before, mapapabilis yon. In fact, yung nalaman ko, kaya ko yung ituro sa'yo in less than 1 month. Okay? And ang mangyayari niyan, pagka may mentor ka, instead na magkakamali ka ng marami, mapapaliit yun, hindi mo na kailangan daanan yung mga dinaanan namin. Okay? So, mapapabilis yung buhay mo and you don't need to spend 40,000, okay, a month. 40,000 just to, just to actually fail sa internet marketing kasi hindi mo alam ginagawa mo. Okay? Now, since bago ang attraction marketing sa Pilipinas, okay, I decided to actually coach some people ngayon dito sa Pinas. Kaso konti lang, okay? Kasi I cannot coach everyone. Okay, I'm gonna choose some people from other network marketing company na may mentoran ko sa attraction marketing field. Okay? And the best, ang pinakamaganda dito sa mentoring na to is you don't actually need hindi mo na kailangan magkaroon ng maraming mali pa because papabilisin ko na lang yung learning curve mo. Plus, makapag-generate ka agad ng leads para may kausapin ka na agad para sa network marketing business mo. Okay? Now, if tatanungin mo ako, bakit ko to ginagawa, okay? The reason kaya ko to ginagawa ngayon is because nagbubuo ako ng grupo sa Pilipinas, okay, na magiging estudyante ko. So, let's say I'm gonna build less than 30 people, okay, na from different companies. And then, mangyayari, let's just say, okay, halimbawa, ikaw, natulungan kita, and nagkaroon ka ng resulta, ang mangyayari is pagkasabi mo kung sino nagturo sa'yo, tama? And mangyari doon, since marami akong tinutulungan from different MLM companies, sisikat ako lalo and mas magiging powerful yung brand ko. And I will actually make more money. So it's actually a win-win situation. Okay? So, pares tayong panalo doon. Kasi tuturuan kita and then matutulungan mo rin ako through your results. So, I'm just looking for those people na committed. Okay? Now, ano ba yung mga makukuha mo sa coaching program ko and ano ba yung mga ibibigay ko sa'yo? Okay? Pakita ko sa'yo. Okay, so ito yung makukuha mo sa coaching program. Ito yung bibigay ko sa'yo. Okay? Unang module is I will teach you how to look like a guru sa prospect mo kahit pa sobrang bago ka pa lang sa network marketing and hindi ka pa kumikita ng pera. Okay? Kahit kahapon ka pa lang nag-join or kahit 10 taon ka na and wala ka pa kinikita ng pera, tuturuan kita paano ka magmumukhang expert or guru sa prospect mo. So, when you talk to this person, wala ka nang makukuhang objection kasi kailangan na kailangan ka niya. Okay? I will teach you paano ma-attract yung prospect sa'yo. So, pag magmumukha kang ikaw yung kailangan niyang tao para solve yung problema niya. Okay? Pangalawa is, I will teach you how to make your competitors promote you sa social media so you can look like a business expert sa internet. Okay? And if kumukha kang business expert sa internet, yung mga prospect mo yung lalapit sa'yo. Okay? So, tituruan kita paano ito gawin. Let me just show you the results na nangyari sa akin nung ginamit ko to. Okay? So, let's go to the internet. Okay. Because of this, I was able to do some training video with some of the best leaders internationally. So this is Jerry Chen, siya upline ko. And because of that, I also interviewed si Adam Taha. This guy has thousands of distributors sa network marketing company niya, and he's one of the best attraction marketers ngayon sa Better Networkers. So this guy is very good. And ang maganda dito is these people, because of these people, tumaas yung value ko. Just imagine if you are surrounded with successful people and top earners from other industry. Do you think yung prospect mo makikita ka as a leader? Of course, kasi ganoon naman talaga yun. If you are surrounded with successful people, your prospect will also think that you are successful. Okay? One more is because of that, I get massive social proof from other leaders. So, for example, I made a training, let's say ito Facebook marketing training na to. Tignan nyo nangyari. I have a lot of testimonials, okay, from other leaders, okay, and pinopromote nila ako. Tignan nyo yan. Okay? I'm getting a lot, okay? Yan, great information, Ian, prospecting, blah, blah, blah. Okay? Ayan, tingnan mo. These guys are leaders. Okay? And hindi lang basta leader. Ito sikat to mga to. Okay? Like Jordan Schultz. Okay? Nada Johnson. These guys are leaders in our industry. And ang magaganda dito is, for example, may prospect saw my video plus may testimonial, sobrang credible na ang tingin sa. So, pag ginamit mo to, ganun din mangyayari sa'yo. Pag kinausap ka niya, or nakita niya yung mga videos mo, or let's say, blog post, magmumukha kang leader sa pananaw ng prospect mo. So, this is very important, okay? And, so, balik tayo sa presentation. Oops, ba't ayaw? Okay, there you go. And another one is I will show you a step-by-step video kung paano ako nag-generate ng leads. Nakita mo yung mga leads kanina na pinakita ko sa'yo? Papakita ko sa'yo, okay? Ni-record ko yung screen ko, okay? And ginawa ko yung live. Papakita ko sa'yo a recorded video kung paano ako kinuha yung mga leads na yon, yung mga interesadong leads na yon, okay? So, we can have endless leads sa negosyo mo every day. So, you can actually talk to 5-10 people na interesado. And just imagine if you have that skill set, okay? Lalaki yung negosyo mo. Okay? The third part is how to close the leads that you have generated sa internet. Okay? So, you don't need to do any hotel meeting. Guys, nagko-close lang ako through the phone, okay? Or through the internet. Hindi ko na talaga ginagawa yung hotel meeting presentation. Pero kung gusto nyo pang gawin, then pwede mong gawin. Pero if you want to do this just at home, pwede rin. Okay? Now, I also teach you how to handle objections sa module number 3. Like, magkano na kinikita mong pera, ilang taong ka na ba dyan. Okay? Kasi, I think yun yung mga most common yung most objection na nila, diba? Nakukuha nyo. Tama? And, ito yung pinakamagandang part is how to make your customer keep on buying products from you. Okay? Alam naman natin sa negosyo na hindi ka kikita through one-time selling. Parang Colgate. Okay? Yung Colgate, pag bumili ka ng sachet, I think 6 pesos lang yun. Tama? Pag bumili ka na sa sachet, sobrang liit lang ang kinikita ng Colgate sa'yo. Pero kung bumibili ka sa Colgate for 10 years, ang laki na nun. So, ganun din sa negosyo, sa network marketing. I will teach you paano yung customer bili ng bili sa'yo hindi lang sa products mo sa network marketing company, pero pati yung affiliate para sinasabi ko sa'yo, para every month palaki ng palaki yung pera mo. Okay? Now, bago ko to bigay sa'yo, okay, meron lang tatlong kondisyon, okay? Unang-una, I want you to do attraction marketing with integrity and honesty, okay? I've been doing this business for quite some time right now, and I already established a good reputation sa maraming top earners in different companies, not just locally but internationally, okay? And ayoko yun masira because of one person, okay? And kasi malalaman nila, pag kino-coach kita, malalaman nila na ako nag-coach sa'yo, and if ever may ginawa kang mali, yari ako. So I'm only looking for those people na may integridad magnegosyo, okay? And honest people, okay? Pangalawa is I want you to take action and I want you to be coachable, okay? Una-una, I will spend time with you and makikita ng colleagues ko na tinuturuan kita. So kung hindi ka coachable, normally hindi ka matututo, and pag hindi ka magaling, hindi ako magmumukhang magaling sa mga colleagues ko. Kasi unang-una, estudyante kita. So, kung maganda yung results mo, dahil tinuturuan kita, masisikat ako madalas. So, it's a win-win situation. So, I want you to take action and I want you to be coachable. Kasi, if you're just gonna get some coaching from me and wala kang gagawin, wala mangyayari. So, I'm only looking for those people na mag-take ng action. Okay? And the last part is there will be no refunds for this coaching. Okay? Because I know that you are a leader, so I expect you to be a leader and be responsible for your own results. Okay? Alam naman natin lahat na lahat ng successful na tao, okay, are committed na mag-invest sa sarili nila para mag-succeed sa negosyo nila. And we both know na lahat sila is committed alamin yung mga bagong strategy na tuturo sa kanila para magkaroon sila ng magandang resulta sa negosyo nila. Okay? So, if this scares you, yung mga sinabi ko kanina, well, this is not for you. Kasi sinadya ko talaga because I'm only looking for those leaders, guys. I'm only looking for those committed leaders na mag-take ng action and gusto mag-succeed sa negosyo. So, kung hindi ikaw yung tao na committed and tingin mo hindi ka mag-succeed, you will just fail, then this is not for you. Pero kung ikaw yung hinahanap ko, if you have the characteristics and you are one of those people na committed na makuha yung goals niya, kung ano man yon, then ito yung mga makukuha mong benefit. Okay? Pagkatapos ng course nito, you will have the ability agad, okay, to generate leads daily. And we both know na pagka marami ka nakukuhang leads a day, let's just say that if you're talking to 5 to 10 interested people a day, imposible na hindi ka kikita. Tama? Kasi ang unang dahilan lang kaya hindi kumikita ang networker, kasi wala siya nang i-invite sa presentation niya and wala naniniwala sa kanya. So just imagine if you have 5 to 10 people na interesado sa ino-offer mo, 'di ba? Sigurado na magkakaroon ka ng pera, and alam nating dalawa 'yon. Okay? Now, ito yung maganda. I will give you a bonus. Okay? You will get 1 hour of coaching every module. So, for example, natapos mo yung module number 1, ang mangyayari is, you can actually call me and I will give you 1 hour para sagutin lahat ng tanong mo. So, basically, may 3 modules, so you will get 3 hours of coaching. Plus, after matapos yung 3 module, you can meet me personally for 1 day and I will answer all of your questions. So, for example, may tanong ka pa after ng coaching na yun, sasagutin ko yun. Pwede tayo magkita sa Starbucks or sa Coffee Bean and usap tayo kung ano man yung problema mo. And I know that you will agree na ito yung pinakamagandang part dito. Tama? Kasi kung bibili ka na ng course, hindi mo rin matutunan yung pag natuturo sa'yo. Okay? So, I know, we both know na ito yung pinaka-importante sa lahat. Okay? Now, magkano yung coaching? Okay? I told you kanina that I spent 40,000. Okay? Sa credit card ng TUhin ko, hindi ko pera yon. I spent 40,000, inutang ko yon just to learn this stuff. In fact, I have thousands of dollars worth of training sa computer ko ngayon. Okay? Just to actually learn the things na nakukuha ko ngayon. And ibibigay ko yun sa'yo lahat. Okay? Yung mga alam ko, ipapasa ko yun sa'yo lahat. And I know that you will agree na this course, since it will give you leads every day, I know that this is worth 30,000 pesos, okay? But I will not give it to you for 30,000 pesos, okay? And I will not even give it to you for 20, 15, or 10,000. Okay? Bibigay ko to sa'yo. Okay? Because I know you are one of those people na committed. Okay? And you are willing to step up. I will give it to you for 3,997 pesos. Okay? And, sounds fair, tama? Ito yung pinakamagandang deal na makukuha mo right now. Kasi ito lang, alam naman natin na ito lang yung sagot dun sa problema mo ngayon sa negosyo mo. Okay? Now, here's another special bonus. Okay? After natin mag-meet, okay, let's just say, after 15 days, 30 days, meron ka na namang katanungan, I will give you unlimited coaching through email. So, kailangan mo lang gawin is email mo ako, and then I will actually answer back to you. Okay? And sasagutin ko yung tanong mo. Okay? Plus, ito yung pinakamaganda, I will give you one free video training about internet marketing every month so you can be updated. Okay? So, if ever na may nagtanong sa akin na iba, and sinagot ko, re-record ko yun, ilalagay ko sa isang group, and isi-share ko sa lahat. So, every month, natututo ka lalo, okay? Lalo ka nag-i-improve, and libre lang yon, okay? Libre lang yon. So, napakagandang deal, tama? Okay? So, ang kailangan mo lang gawin, so we can actually get started, is call me right now. I want you to call me sa telepono ko or sa landline ko. Okay? Okay? So, my cellphone number is 0999-365-141 for smart yan. Landline ko is 4193134, or you can add me sa Skype, ian.palesa. Okay? So, go to your computer or go to your phone and call me right now. Okay? Talk to you soon. Bye. God bless.